Hi everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. So here I will tell you how to disable ads clearly. Currently there are a lot of tools which are available to remove ads. But as a customer we can't able to get it all because all the applications available for the paid subscription only, but some applications might free, but most of the applications available with paid version only. So here I'm showing you few applications which are for free. So here one more thing I would like to remind you that I will not refer or recommend any antivirus program because there is no antivirus software or antivirus program which are available to remove all the viruses which are available currently. So you can use any antivirus program as per your previous experience. Whether you already purchased any antivirus program, you can stick with until it's got expired. Or if you don't have any antivirus program, then go with the Bitdefender or the Defender application, which is a free and which is developed by the Microsoft. To open this, just press Window and R and then type Control. So here I already typed Window and R. Now I'm typing the Control and I hit OK button. So now it will give you the list of services which are available in the particular computer. So in that navigate, this is a Defender tool and which will be free. But this tool will work only if you don't have any antivirus program. But even if you're having any antivirus program which is already installed, so it might be in the disable condition. Now we'll move to that our regular task, how to disable ads permanently. Now check my browser. If I'm opening any sites, I might get ads. That's quite common for most of the customers. Well, might be you might already experience with your regular browsing also. Now I'm just opening the Google page. Now I'm just opening youtube.com. So there you'll find out at the very top you might see an ad. It's a name with Pepsi or might be with any other ad you might see over there. So now I'm getting Pepsi or you might get some other ads. So these ads are quite annoying. It's whether if you wish to browse anything, you might get this type of ads at the side or might be left or background. This will little bit make you uncomfortable in order to perform your regular task. So to remove these type of ads, so I'm just give you the way. As I said you, the few applications are available for free. So I'm just opening those applications. So in order to do that, just open the google.com once again. And in the Google search bar, just type ad block or ad block for Chrome. These blocker tools might available for the Chrome as well as Internet Explorer and Firefox too. Then which browser you use frequently, you can download the respective tool. So I'm just showing an example for the Chrome. So I'm just typing ad block for Chrome. So there you will get the list of links. So just go with the first link. And once you open the link, you will get the screen like that. Just click add to Chrome and just give your authentication. Click add extension and the respective setup file might download it and it will add the blocker tools. Yeah, now the tool has been done. So the respective link might open. Just close that one and open another one that's AdBlock Plus. Just do the same thing. Now this file already got installed. Now close that one and just go to extension search bar. There you can type popper blocker. Just give space in between popper and blocker. And you have to do search only with the Chrome extension. Then only you'll get exactly and the correct one. I type that one and I hit search or enter. Now you'll see the result. Just select the second one and select that one and click add extension and do the rest of process is same and it will download and a particular blocker tool will add it to the respective browser automatically. Well, that's all for that. So I already installed all these blocker tools successfully. Now check what are the ads or what are the blocker tools we install on this particular browser, whether it's working good or not, right? So we just need a visual confirmation. How can you came to know whether it's working or not? So for that, I'm just open once again YouTube. Now just observe very carefully. So previously you see at the very top the Pepsi ad is going on. Now there is no ads which are going on. Well, the number of ads detected by this particular blocker tools, all this information will be available in the blocker section. Just observe the screen very carefully. So those are the blocker tools. We already installed the ad block and ad block plus. How many and the number of ads which got detected by this blocker tool, that is information. That's all for now. Install these blocker tools which are free and no need of any paid subscription. Follow this video and install the blockers and update your experience, and that will be useful for the beginners or the freshers who watch our video in future. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe our channel. We will meet you in the next tutorial. Once again, thank you all. I'm B. Santosh signing off.